Hi, my name is Nur Izzah Yasmin binti Ahmad Sofyan. My matric number is 10DDT23L1027. Today, I'm going to explain about Project 1 Visual Basic Programming. So, here are the questions for Project 1. As a project manager in company ABC, your group is responsible for proposing a Windows application system project. To develop a Windows application system using VBNet, you have to consider. So here are the titles that we have choose. It's a student registration system. So the thing that we really have to consider is the problem statement. Currently, the student registration process at university is conducted manually, which creates a several challenges for both student and administrative staff. So this manual process creates several challenges for both student and administrative staff, affecting efficiency and accuracy. As you can see here are the key issues that have been happening. One major issue with the manual system is that the student registration process is time consuming. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nushafina binti Muhammad Saha. My number matric is 10DDT20F1046. I will be continue presenting about problem statement. The third problem statement is limited accessibility and communication. Student and staff must be physically present to complete or verify registration details. If a student encounters an issue with their registration, resolving it may take longer due to the lack of an integrated system for real-time update and communication. Last but not least is lack of real-time tracking. The current system does not allow student or administrator to track registration status in real time. This results in uncertainty and additional workload as staff must manually check and confirm details for each student. Our main objective in this project is to provide an easy-to-use registration system for students. Next, to store student data securely in a database. Also, to allow students to register, update and delete their profile efficiently. Moreover, to include a login system for secure access to student records. Lastly is to implement validation and exception handling for better data accuracy.
Hi, my name is Aimi Dalina binti Azmizam and my number matrix is 10DDT23F1032. So for the next slide, I will explain about planning of our project. So we start with our first one, that is login page compulsory. It is for username and password fields and also login buttons with validation. Next page is for student registration page. The fields is for name, student ID, email, course and contact number. Then for buttons, it is used to register, that is insert, update, delete and search. Moreover, we also include input validation such as email format, required fields. Last but not least, student list or view page. It displays a list of registered students from the database. Next is the search bar to find students by ID or name. And the last one is buttons for edit and delete. So, this is our planning of form. The first form is for students to insert their username and password. So, for this page, we use two labels and two text box so that it is easy for students to understand. Next, we also add two buttons that is for login and sign in. Students will choose whether they already have an account or they are a first-time user. Then, for the next form that is form 2, we add 5 labels including 5 text box. That is name, student ID, email, course and contact number. Next, for the text box, it is used for students to fulfill their details in the text box. We also add one button that is for students to submit their registration details, and their details will show up in the list view. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.